Good morning, you guys. I just got my kids off to school and I'm going to pick the winner of my Lit Cosmetics giveaway. And I just want to thank everybody for entering and supporting my channel. And I almost reached 250 subscribers. I think I'm at 244 right now, which is not 250, but I think it's pretty good. Like I said, I appreciate all my subscribers, and y'all just keep checking back. And I will be posting another giveaway soon, like I said. So it'll probably be later on today or maybe tomorrow. Sometime this week I'll be putting that one up. But altogether, I think I had 15 15 or 16 people entered. Wish there was a few more, but they didn't subscribe, and I wrote to them to subscribe, and they didn't. They never replied back to me. So that was a simple rule of the giveaway, and I'm sorry to those who didn't follow the rules. So I think I had 119 entries that actually qualified, and I'll just go through the list right here so you can just see all of the names I brought up on Notepad right here. And then I'm just going to take all of these and I'm going to copy them. And then I'm going to put them right here and I'm going to randomize them. You can see all the names are here. Okay. And then we're going to randomize them. And this is the list right here. All randomized. Then we're going to copy these. I'm going to post them into the class tools. And then we're going to pick a winner. So let's see. Good luck, everyone. And it's Lip Speaks. Congratulations, girl. Send me your information and let me know your name and address and stuff, and I'll get that out as soon as I can to you. Alright, thanks, y'all. Remember to stay tuned for my new giveaway that I'm going to be posting up soon. So thank y'all all for subscribing and supporting my channel, and check back often. Alright, guys. Thanks. Bye.